Hello everyone, Allie here. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a digital wallet. And a digital wallet is very similar to a physical wallet. You need something to hold your cash in when you go from shop to shop. A digital wallet stores your crypto so that you're able to hold, trade, and get the benefits of Allie Coin or any other cryptocurrency out there. In this video, I'm specifically going to show you how to set up a phantom wallet. Now that Allie Coin is on the Solana blockchain, the Phantom wallet is a wallet that is compatible with Solana. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to set that up to make it really easy. All right, let's get started. Step 1, open up the browser of your choice. For this particular video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Make sure that the Chrome profile that you're signed into is the one that you usually use. You can see I've got my little profile picture up here, so just double check that. And then head to phantom.app. Now head to the download button over here in the top right-hand corner. Select the browser of choice. I'm using Chrome. And now we can see the extension page here. We're gonna add Phantom to Chrome by clicking this. Click Add Extension. Boom, there we go. Once Phantom is installed, you'll be able to see it under the little puzzle icon here, along with your other extensions. Now here's where we're prompted to create a new wallet. So select that and come up with a strong password. Agree to the terms of service. Okay, this next bit is very, very important. You will be given a secret recovery phrase. This recovery phrase will allow you to access your wallet if you forget your password or if you need to set up this wallet on a new device. Because your wallet is not attached to your personal identity, there's really no way to recover it if you lose your password, or if something goes wrong. So it is absolutely critical that you keep this secret recovery phrase in a safe place. You do not share it with anyone. I recommend having a physical backup of these words, and if you do have a digital backup of these words somewhere, make sure that it's not in a Google Drive that other people have access to, or those types of things. Because essentially, if someone has these words, they can unlock your wallet fully and take your funds, and it'll be gone forever. So again, it's super important that you guard this phrase with your life. The secret recovery phrase will be a list of words in a specific order. So make sure that you are writing them down in the correct order, and again, saving them in a very secure location. Another thing that I recommend for an extra layer of security is getting a hardware wallet. This is an example of one. This is a Ledger. This is a Ledger Nano X. That's one that I recommend. Trezor is another company that makes hardware wallets. This is cold storage, so this was probably like the safest way to keep your funds. However, there's a phrase that comes with setting up these devices as well, is the most important thing, because if someone had that phrase for your hardware wallet, they could set up a new device with that phrase and get access to your funds. So I can't stress enough the importance of keeping these words in a very secure location. Now we hit continue after saving our words. And Phantom will now prompt us to use a keyboard shortcut to quickly access Phantom. We can do this, but again, another quick way to do it is just to click the bookmark up here, and then it'll show you your extensions. I like to use the pin feature here, so it pops up right there, easy for quick access. Click continue. You're all done. Congratulations, you have now set up a Phantom wallet. As you can see, our new wallet is empty here, but soon this is the place where you'll see how much Allie Coin you have, or other tokens such as Sol. Just something to note, you will need some Sol in your wallet in order to make transactions. So just make sure you've got a little bit in there. I will be making a buying and selling guide in a separate video, so don't worry, I'll have you covered there as well. This tab is your collectibles tab. So once Alley Cats move over to Solana and you have an Alley Cat NFT, this is where they would show up, assuming that it's in your wallet. The next tab over here is the token swap tab. This is the place where you can swap a token for another that is supported by the Phantom wallet. Currently, Allie Coin is only swappable for S-Rally on the Allie Coin website, so you will need to go navigate over to the website in order to do that. The next tab over here is the activity tab, the recent activity. This is for incoming and outgoing transactions. So say your friend sends you some Allie coin, this is where you'll see that notification. Next, we'll move on to the settings tab over here. This is where you can rename your wallet if you so choose. And if we scroll down here, we can see some extra security options. If you lost your recovery phrase and you need to see it again, you can click here, show secret recovery phrase, and you can also export your private key. So this would be if you were installing the Solana app on a new computer, a new device, a new mobile device. The private key is not something that you need to store like the recovery phrase, but you do need to treat it with the same level of care and security as the recovery phrase. So be careful there. All right, there you have it, folks. You have set up a new wallet and I've shown you how to use it. In order to welcome you to the community, if you don't have any Allie Coin yet, we'd be happy to send you some Allie Coin for free to get you started. Just join the Allie Coin Discord and say, hey, I'd like some, and we'll get you set up. Also, if you have some Allie Coin on rally.io and you'd like to transfer that, migrate over to Allie on Solana now, we can certainly help you with that as well and get you going. Again, join the Discord for that and say, hi, I need some help, and we'll get you sorted. I hope this video was helpful and made setting up a wallet less intimidating. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments. And again, you can join the Discord if you'd like some more discussion if you have questions as well. Thanks, bye.